Welcome to the channel, everybody. I am Tony. This is Rim Country Overland, and today I am one install away from becoming an official Overlander. Why? Because I got my rooftop tent. Right behind me here is my FSR Evolution V2 XL. I am super excited about this one. I cannot wait to get it on the truck. I've been wanting for this one for quite some time, and I was finally able to do it. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna get the front runner load bars installed up on the top of the Smartcap, and we're gonna get that baby up there. So now, I said today I was gonna become an official Overlander. Does that mean you have to have a rooftop tent to be an Overlander? Of course not. I was overlanding when I was sleeping in a ground tent, when I was sleeping in the back of the truck. Heck, I was overlanding before I knew what overlanding was. And if you want to know more about that story, check out my very first video right up here where I quit before I even started. So why did I say that today I'm going to be an official Overlander? By the way, guys, I know I have put out quite a few install videos lately. I've been heavily into getting a few of these key modifications done to the truck before my next trip out. I have a trip planned coming up actually in less than a week. So I promise you I will have more adventure videos coming out very, very soon. If you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out. Lets me know you like the content I'm putting out there. And then you'll be alerted when my next video does come out. Okay. That's nice. So, back to why I said I was going to be an official Overlander. Back when I was really starting to get into the hobby, my wife and I would drive around. We would see another rig and we would yell out, "Overlander!" And yeah, I know it. Now that I'm saying it, it sounds a little bit silly, but it was fun. We enjoyed it. But the way that we could tell that it was an Overlander was because of the standard max tracks on the top of the roof, or because of the rooftop tent on the top of the truck. For the longest time, I ran a soft topper on my truck. I put it on when I headed out for each trip, and I took it off when I got home. Nothing about my rig said I'm an Overlander. Heck, the thing was bone stock on top of that. Even after I installed the Smartcap, I'm still just a guy with the cap on his truck. When I see another rig, I just want to be able to give that head nod. You know, it's that head nod that says, I'm an Overlander too. But they can't tell I'm in the club. They probably think I'm nuts. Waving at him and giving him the head nod like I know him. At least that's the way I felt. This is crazy. So I've got magnets on the inside of this cap, pretty strong ones. That's how strong they are. Not bad. I don't know why I found that fun, but I did. I have no shame. So I've been wanting a rooftop tent for quite a while now. I originally did not think I was going to spend the money. Ground tent was working just fine. But I will say the ease of setting up, the ease of tearing down every single day is definitely appealing. as was the thought of not having to clear the ground to make room for my tent, which is a problem I had on my last trip, where I had to try to find the one empty square space of sand and still ended up having to clear out some river rock in order to get a place to put my tent. So the thought just became more and more appealing. And finally, FSR had a March Madness sale, and I was able to take advantage. So as soon as it arrived, just the thought of getting it installed on the Blue Beach just got me excited. It made me feel different. I don't know why, it just did. So these are the front runner load bars made to go on the RSI Smartcap. So they include the additional hardware that's needed because the track that's on the Smartcap is actually, it uses a smaller T-nut than most normal tracks do. I tried to go for the ones that were actually, that RSI makes themselves. And they were out of stock everywhere, weren't due back for quite some time. So opted to go with the front runners because they were in stock, ready to go. And these are the 1345 millimeter, I believe. Puts them right at 53 inches, and they should fit perfect. So I'm using 3 bars across the top of the Smartcap to help distribute the weight of the tent, which is right about 184 pounds. And you'll notice too, I actually have these offset a little bit. So I'm not going directly in the center of the track with this 3rd bar, because my tent will overhang about 2 feet onto the cab. It'll come right about here, 18 inches to 2 feet. So a little bit more weight towards the front part of the Smartcap. So I think my midpoint was about 27 and a half inches. I actually moved it over to about 21 and a half inches, just to give me a slight offset towards the back of the cab to help with that weight distribution a little bit more. All right, so I'm gonna get these last couple nuts installed, and then I'm gonna go around, get everything nice and squared up, and we're gonna get this tent up here. and we are finished. We got it put on the truck, went pretty smooth this afternoon. I am super excited about this thing, and I have a trip coming up in 6 days, and I am stoked to get out and put this thing to some use. By the time you're watching this video, I will have already done that trip, and that video will probably be sitting in my edit queue waiting to go. And because of that, I'm gonna actually hold off on doing the tour and kind of my initial thoughts, because I wanna spend a little bit of time in it. I really wanna get used to it, get comfortable with it, and then I'll kind of share my first tour initial thoughts at that point in time. If you've made it this far in the video, I greatly appreciate you. Smash that like button, and if you would consider subscribing, it really helps out the channel. And leave a comment down below. I love to talk with everybody. Let me know, did you upgrade to a rooftop tent? Are you still overlanding in a ground tent? Are you using the back of your cab? I would love to know, and I reply to every single comment on my videos. With that, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Love y'all, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.